Welcome to All Car Review channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Sporty, compact and full of advanced technology. This is Skoda's concept for the urban crossover of the future. This study takes characteristic features from the successful Skoda SUV models, reinterprets them and transfers them into a further vehicle segment. The Skoda Vision X is celebrating its world premiere at the 2018 Geneva International Motor Show. Compact proportions, short overhangs and precise lines emphasize the agile and sporty nature of the concept car. In its interior, the Skoda Vision X boasts innovative infotainment technology. A special highlight, the Skoda Vision X's particularly sustainable drive concept combines a CNG-and petrol-powered engine with an electric motor, providing spontaneous power delivery and increased agility, and allowing low CO2 emissions of less than 90 grams per kilometer. Emotive design, modern drive technology and full connectivity. With the Skoda Vision X Concept study we are presenting our vision of a modern urban crossover, said Skoda CEO Bernhard Mayer, adding, the exterior design provides a concrete view of the third member of the successful SUV family. With this model we will attract even more customers to the Skoda brand going forward. The Skoda Vision X can be identified as an SUV from the long-established Czech brand at first glance. With the new urban crossover, Skoda Auto is taking the next systematic step in its SUV strategy. The Skoda Vision X embodies agility, versatility and driving pleasure both in urban traffic and when venturing off-road. With its compact exterior and interior dimensions as well as advanced infotainment features, the design study orients itself perfectly towards the modern lifestyle of active target groups. Outdoor excursions and leisure sport activities are the environment in which the robust and compact urban crossover demonstrates its strengths. The concept car provides an insight into a future model that, following the successful launches of the Skoda Kodiaq and Skoda Karoq, will continue the brand's SUV campaign and round off the smaller end of Skoda's SUV family as an urban crossover variant. The Skoda Vision X's drive system, which is designed for sustainability as well as agility, is shaped by future-oriented technology. A newly configured hybrid system allows spontaneous power delivery and low emission values. For the first time, a highly efficient and particularly low-emission combustion engine has been combined with a belt-driven starter generator and an electric motor on the rear axle, which can power the vehicle by itself over short distances and, furthermore, takes on a supportive boost function when pulling away. Whether on or off the road, power can be delivered to the front axle, rear axle or, if necessary, to all four wheels. In everyday traffic, the Skoda Vision X's advanced hybrid system returns a combined CO2 emissions value of 89 grams per kilometer when driven in an EU test cycle, NEDC. The concept study's 1.5-liter GTEC combustion engine with 4 cylinders and turbocharger has been specially developed for use with CNG, compressed natural gas. As well as conventionally extracted natural gas, CNG can also take the form of biogas or, with the help of green energy, synthetically produced natural gas. CNG vehicles running on conventional natural gas already emit between around 18 and 25% less CO2 than a petrol-powered model with a comparable power output. The proportion of nitrogen oxide, particulate matter and other emissions is also considerably lower than those of petrol or diesel engines. By adding biogas, CO2 emissions can be reduced further. When running on 100% biogas or synthetic natural gas, CNG vehicles are CO2 neutral.